Hi everyone, welcome back to another OSINT video VIH group. So basically we have a lot of OSINT tool, but I'm going to tell you a website where you can get a plenty of tool which is having a lot of records related to digital forensics. Okay, if you want to investigate about photos, if you want to investigate about a URL, if you want to investigate about any specific document or email or phone number. So I can write a lot of things, an entire display will get filled out, right? So the website is having a lot of things where you can work on the website. So basically I'm going to tell you about the website and you can do all those things apart from that as well. So let me show you. So this is a website, this is a tool that we can get to know. define.me/tools. Okay, so this is here you can check out social media investigation, geolocation tools, email and domain investigation, network, cyber, a lot more things are there. So you can check out all those things. Like let me click on this username search. So if you want to search about my username or VIH group, right? So let me check enter. So you'll get to know exactly if there is any video platform which the name is registered. So here you can see on Instagram name is registered, uh, profile found, Reddit profile found, Blue Sky, everywhere the things are registered, right? YouTube, yes. Vimeo, yes. Everywhere, right? LinkedIn. So you can check out a plenty of information from there. Music platform, blogging platform. So just check out all those things, and this will be a very much helpful for you, right? So parallelly for the same thing, there are a couple of more website, more tools. Geolocation tool. If you want to if you want IP in for something, so you will get a lot more information, right? So this is how you can check out, right? So just let me know in the comment box how this video and is it helpful or not. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.